Okay, what I'm going to do, this is called the Rosineer. It's a press, a pre-press, and it's great for me for your personal rosin press machine. Um, it's a nice 1.5 by 1 by 1 square, and I found with I can do about 6 grams and get back about close to 2 grams, 2 grams of rosin with my rosin press, which is called the My Press. I think it works great, actually. So let's finish putting some of this back in here. This is approximately 6 grams. I'll weigh it afterwards. I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. I'm not going to bore you guys, so we'll put this on pause while I. Okay, getting to be done here. Before I forget, be sure to like and subscribe. I'm always doing videos on testing the limits on products. Now more so on cannabis products, whether it's vaporizers or molds or rosin press, whatever it might be, bubble bags. I usually try and do it kind of different. Okay, now with this right here, typically what you would do, so be sure to like and subscribe if you like the video. And subscribe because seriously, I come up with some pretty good videos. Um, okay, so I'm just gonna press this a little bit. Now, with a lot of the molds, you do have like a pre-press. You can put it in there and it'll press it for you. I don't have that, so I am going to um, stand on it, and that will do the trick. Believe me, because I'm about 250 pounds. So let's get that going here. Now, where is? I'll go ahead and show you the stepping of the. And you can do this too. It's not hard. You just got to get on it and step on it, which I am. And you, this is important. This is very important to really compress this down as much as you can. Um, and in fact, what I'm going to do. All right, let me put this on pause here for a second. All right, I'm back. I pressed it. I was standing on the floor, floor. This is what it looks like again. This is the Rosineer, they call it. I'll put that link down on the bottom of the page on where you can get this from. It's from Amazon. It's kind of pricey. It seems it's like $35, but it does the trick for sure. So it's well worth it. Okay, so I'm gonna get it out of here, and then we'll weigh this, get an accurate weight on it. I'm waiting for the heat press to heat up. Okay, that's it right there. That's about 6 grams. Let's weigh it and see exactly what it is. Take your guess. Yeah, it's not, it's on the bottom of the page. It's on the page anyway, so don't bother guessing. It's right there. All right, let's go with this. Yep. Okay, it's 6.12 grams. Okay, 6.1 grams. All right, so close to 6. We'll see that. Let me get a piece of parchment paper. If you buy parchment paper too, don't buy it like this. I wouldn't. This kind sucks. I have to do this. I'd rather get. I'm gonna get the kind that it's already pre-cut. That's just better. I've had that before. It's way better than having to cut it yourself. Okay, this will go for 2 presses too. All right. So we'll get this over here. Swing around over here. Alright. And that's it there. Okay. So what I'm gonna do? Okay, this is I have this at 220. Okay, the heat on both plates. Okay, you want that to be pretty loose. Well, not too loose though. Okay. I'm just. This is just calibrating it. Huh. Huh, am I doing it the right way? Okay. Let's see here. Okay. All right. I just give me a little preheat, and so now let's push it down, and we'll do this for about a minute. This is at 220. Go ahead and let you have a better view of that. Okay. It's got to be the worst video ever. I'm sorry, you guys. This is Minicam that I'm using, their new version, 7 point something, and it's kind of cool, but it's, I don't know, it's got a lot of fuck ups on it. Okay, so 60 seconds. I'm gonna do it for 90, and then I'm gonna do a second press on it. And I should get 2 grams, or at least a gram and a half, which I consider that to be a fairly decent yield. Okay. Not bad. And we'll do a second press on that too. That's not bad. That's not a bad return right there. If you can see that. Okay. So we got this. Just fold that over so it doesn't fall off and land on the rug. And let's press this one more time. I'm going to do this time is. Thing out of that. Although I got a pretty good turnout on closed plates, saying so it's not. Sometimes it's doing a second press. It won't acknowledge that the plates are all the way closed because it's not getting it. It's kind of hard. Nah, it's not even on the thing. So I can't time it. Okay. But like I said, the Rosineer, folks, that's your best bet. That's what gives you this, this much, because the other pollen presses that there are, they don't make it. I mean, you can't compress it enough. So, you can't compress it enough with the things that this is what I used to have, what I used to use. Okay, and I mean you can crank these, but you're not gonna put 6 grams in here and have it get as compact as it is with a Rosineer. So I highly recommend it, and the thing will be on the bottom. The link where you can get it will be on the bottom. I'm gonna pull this off. Let's see. That wasn't that great. Okay. All right. That wasn't that great, but I am going to go ahead and weigh this up and see what we got on it. See our return. All right, let's go ahead and do that. The way I do it, I just weigh the press. I mean the the piece that you have, and okay, we had what, 6.12, and comes to 4.75. Okay. Okay, so that comes to 1.3 or 1.4 grams. So we got about close to a gram and a half on that, on how much rosin we got. So that's not too bad. I still would rather. I have been able to get higher amounts than that, but just to let you know. So give it a try, and remember, subscribe. You'll find some pretty cool videos, and give me a like if you thought this was good, or give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Even if you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs up anyway.